Go. What show are we on now? Good? You're welcome. Slowly pour it in. Make sure you don't get the bag in. Let me help you. Okay. Voila. Now get the wooden spoon and stir it a little bit.
Wait, I'll hold on to the handle.
I'll hold it for you so it doesn't get hot. Oh, be careful. Stir lightly. And let me get the ones at the bottom so you don't splash it. Okay, there you go. Stir just a little bit more, then we'll let it sit for a little bit. Now blow kisses to the camera. Goodbye. Goodbye.